If your Toyota RAV4 won't start, don't panic. Let's walk through the 6 most common culprits in under 3 minutes. Statistics show that over 80% of starting issues are linked directly to a weak battery or bad terminal connections. Before you call for a tow truck, let's perform some basic diagnostic steps. Always start by checking your battery voltage, cleaning the terminals, and verifying that your key fob battery isn't dead. If the battery is fine, look toward the ground straps, the starter fuse, or a faulty ignition relay. Mechanical issues like a seized starter motor or a faulty park safety switch can also prevent the engine from cranking. You can easily handle battery or terminal work yourself, but leave complex wiring or starter motor replacements to a professional. This chart shows the average cost difference between simple electrical fixes and more involved mechanical repairs. Use an OBD scanner to look for stored codes and a multimeter to check for voltage drops across your electrical system. Keep a basic toolkit with a 10mm wrench, a wire brush, and a digital multimeter in your trunk at all times. Always remember that safety is the priority, so disconnect the negative battery terminal before touching any electrical components. Thanks for watching the troubleshooting playbook. Check the link in the description for more specific RAV4 diagnostic guides.